Elon Musk activates the world's most powerful AI supercomputer. In a significant technological leap, Elon Musk has announced the activation of the world's most powerful AI supercomputer. This development is set to revolutionize various industries and potentially transform daily life as we know it. Unveiling the future of AI. Elon Musk's latest venture into artificial intelligence has led to the creation of an AI supercomputer that stands as the most powerful in the world. This supercomputer boasts unparalleled processing capabilities, allowing it to perform complex computations and analyze vast amounts of data at unprecedented speeds. Capabilities and applications. The AI supercomputer's capabilities extend far beyond mere computational power. Here are some of the key features and potential applications. Unmatched processing power. The supercomputer can handle immense datasets and perform intricate calculations faster than any existing system. Advanced machine learning. It supports highly sophisticated machine learning algorithms, enabling more accurate predictions and insights across various fields. Enhanced data analysis. With its ability to process and analyze big data, the supercomputer can provide deeper insights, driving innovation and efficiency in industries like healthcare, finance, and logistics. Real-time decision-making. Industries reliant on real-time data, such as autonomous vehicles and robotics, will benefit from the supercomputer's swift decision-making capabilities. Impact on industries. The activation of this AI supercomputer is poised to make waves across multiple sectors. Healthcare, improved diagnostic tools, personalized medicine, and accelerated drug discovery processes. Finance, enhanced fraud detection, improved risk management, and optimized trading algorithms. Transportation, advancements in autonomous vehicle technology, smarter traffic management systems, and efficient logistics solutions. Manufacturing, better predictive maintenance, optimized supply chain management, and innovative production techniques. Energy, more efficient energy consumption, advanced climate modeling, and enhanced renewable energy systems. Transforming daily life beyond industry applications, this AI supercomputer could also impact everyday life by enhancing personal assistance, smarter and more intuitive digital assistants that understand and anticipate user needs, boosting smart home devices, improved automation and connectivity for a more seamless home experience. Revolutionizing education, personalized learning experiences, and advanced educational tools powered by AI. A technological milestone. Elon Musk's activation of the world's most powerful AI supercomputer marks a milestone in technological advancement. It not only showcases the potential of AI in transforming industries, but also highlights the profound impact it could have on our daily lives. For both tech enthusiasts and the general public, this breakthrough represents an exciting step toward a future where AI plays an integral role in shaping a smarter, more efficient world. Learn more, stay updated with the latest advancements in AI and technology. Follow our blog and join the conversation as we explore the implications of this groundbreaking development.